got a drone all the way up there. All the way up there. And we got no one here to help me get it down, so we're gonna try the grapple trick. Operation Dumbo Drop is underway. So we're gonna ditch this because this is too heavy. We're gonna attach this. This is lighter. Here we go.
The electric bass got that. That's kind of strange. Yeah, fly around with it.
Got it.
Got it.
It's not able to lift it.
No way. You're lying. Can you just drag it to the edge? Like go forwards, just try and drag it. Oh, just launching. Go, go, go. Go, go. Come. Alright.
Get ready to catch it, okay?
Yeah, alright. Get ready to kill the battery. Oh my god. Go that way. Come on, right there. Go. Grapple hook.
And that's how we fucking do it. Woo-woo. That is how we fucking do it.
Missing the GoPro.
Oh, fuck. Okay. All right. Well, we got some back.
This is good shit.
Excellent.
I knew
I'm
you
gonna
had
send
it.
this up and look for the GoPro. It's got to be up there. So we found the drone all the way up there, and I guess the trajectory of the GoPro ejecting just found it right here in the fucking grass, all the way across the street. Hell yeah, we are back in business.